Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the project environment and granting permissions. First, import a supported voice SDK like Photon Voice 2 or Dissonance. This gives you networking, codecs, and voice prefabs. Once done, make sure Unity Player settings use a stable sample rate such as 48K Hz and that the build target requests microphone permission. Then place the provided networked voice prefab into your scene and point it at a local microphone device. This begins actual audio capture and network routing. You continue by tailoring how audio moves and sounds in-game. First, pick a codec bitrate and packet size. Lower values reduce bandwidth but raise artifacts, so choose 16 kbps to 64 kbps depending on platform. Next, enable spatialization and attach audio sources for local and remote players, adjusting roll-off and distance curves to preserve immersion. Then implement push-to-talk or voice-activated transmission. Tune the voice activity detector threshold and noise suppression, so chat is reliable without constant background noise. You finish by validating and optimizing the system under realistic conditions. Test voice locally on the same machine, then across LAN and public servers to measure latency and packet loss. Adjust packet rate and jitter buffer accordingly. Once stable, reduce or increase bitrate and buffer sizes to balance quality versus bandwidth, and enable codec fallback for poor networks. If you still get no audio, check microphone permission and selected device. Inspect firewall/NAT traversal and read SDK debug logs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.